So, welcome to page 207. It is Thursday, June 25th, 2020. The first word is a word we often use to describe when someone can be excited, someone can be nervous. Their body starts to do certain things. It also could mean when they're in love, they start to tremble, which means that they start to shake or shiver or quiver or twitch or shudder. Shudder with a D, not shutter with a T. Tremble, let's go. Tremble. Tremble. So let's go. Tremble. She started to tremble inside when she saw her daddy coming. She was excited. He started to tremble inside when he saw his mom coming, because they both missed their parents terribly. How do we mark this up? Underline the silent E twice. Job number 4. Every syllable has to have at least one vowel. Okay. No. Number 2 is the word eloquent. What's the word? Excellent. Magnificent. Eloquent. Eloquent means when you're well-spoken or articulate, you're expressive. Very often when you're eloquent, you're persuasive, you're very convincing. You communicate well, you're an excellent speaker. A great word, a phenomenal word for that is loquacious. Loquacious. Anyway, you can see loquacious is related to the word eloquent. Let's go. Eloquent. All right, so let's go. Eloquent. Eloquent. We have 2 things to mark up, so let's go. Underline the O and the Q. The O can say O at the end of a syllable. Yes, you got it. That's rule 4. Q and U stick like glue. That is rule 1. All right? Now, when you're eloquent, you're well-spoken, you're articulate, they say, what eloquence she speaks with. Okay? It's like beautiful poetry or writing. The eloquence of the poem stirred my heart. Eloquence. All right? So a child, when they first speak, they have no eloquence. They're kind of like that. But eventually they're able to form words and become eloquent, which means that they could demonstrate their eloquence. So at first they are not eloquent. Once they learn how to form those words and it's understood, they demonstrate their eloquence. Let's go. Eloquence. We change the T to a C and add a silent E. Eloquence. Let's go. L-O-Quence. All right. Whoops. So let's go. Eloquence. Eloquence. The eloquence of Frederick Douglass, or the eloquence of Abraham Lincoln's speeches, Frederick Douglass' speeches, stayed with people. They were moved to change their way of thinking. The beauty of their words, eloquence, that's what that means, the beauty of your words. Okay, so how do we mark this up? Underline the O, the Q, the C, and the silent E twice. Job number 3, but, yes, rule 2, but let's go in order. We have rule 4, we have rule 1, and we have rule 2. Soft C when followed by Y, I, or E. What do we do with these 2 words? Very eloquent. Yes, we do brace them. The next word is the word formula. What's the word? Very nicely done. Formula. And a formula is a recipe. All right? It's a method of doing something. It's a procedure. It can be a technique or a system, like the rules and the principles. Like, what's the formula for success? What's the recipe? What are the ingredients? That's another one that's good for formula. All right? Hard work, paying attention, being responsible, having a plan. That's a formula or a recipe for success. There's one other way to use the word formula, though. 2 other ways. A baby, sometimes when they can't breastfeed from their mom, for whatever reason, their body rejects that, they have to have formula, and it's a special recipe for babies, for them to nurse themselves to health. But the other main way that we use the word formula is a pattern. Okay, so for example, I notice that there's a pattern here. There's a formula. Oh, it goes square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. There's a formula, there's a pattern. And think about in math, when we learned about area, the formula for area is area equals length times width. Those are the ingredients which give you the answer for area. Okay? So formula, let's go. Formula. Okay, so let's go. Formula. And yes, the base word actually is form, and you'll see that, and you'll notice that when you do the etymology, when you solve for the etymology. How do we mark this up? On the line the or, the u, third sound, the you can say you at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. We can use it more than one way. You got it. It is a homograph. Okay, and just getting back to the word tremble, you can tremble when you're excited, when you're nervous, when you're in love. Okay, quiver and shake. Now, getting back to the word formula, we finished with that. Now, the next word, skip down to number 6, is the word sensation. What's the word? Okay, sensation comes from the word sense, which means feeling. That's one way that you could use it. I have a strong sensation in my foot because it fell asleep, but that tingling sensation, that tingling feeling. A sensation can be something that's very popular, like a craze or a fad. Something that has a huge impact is a sensation, like the iPhone years ago, the computer, technology like the internet, things like that, TikTok. That's a sensation. It's a huge hit. It's very, very popular. So there are numerous ways to use that word, sensation. Okay. So for example, the excuse me, the fireworks caused quite a sensation, quite a bit of excitement and attention getting. It was very popular on July 4th, 1776, and it continues to this day. Not that they've been lighting off fireworks every single day for 234 years. All right? Anyway, so sensation. Let's go. Sensation. Sensation. And it comes from the word sense. Let's go. Whoops. Sensation. Sensation. All right, how do we mark this up? Underline the A and the sh. The A can say A at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. And again, getting back to the word feeling, sensation, some people get paralyzed. They lose the sensation or the feeling in their left arm or their leg, whatever it might be. Okay, we can use it more than one way. Yes, it is a homograph. Now, something that really is very popular or is an attention getter, like fireworks cause a sensation. We say when something is outstanding or astonishing, it's exciting or thrilling, electrifying, it's very dramatic, like a rescue. What a sensational rescue that was. When you listen to a piece of music like Beethoven, what a sensational piece of composition that he created, right, when he composed that. So, sensational, something that's outstanding, thrilling, dramatic, sensational. Let's go. Sensational. Sensational. Let's go. Sensational. Sensational. How do we mark this up? Underline the A and the sh. That is rule 4. All right, so what do we do with these two words? Brace. Sensational. And you can see for the next two words what was actually on my mind. The next word is the word compose. What's the word? All right, compose, which means to write or to create or to design. All right? To compose yourself is to be calm, cool, and collected, to be nice and settled. And there's another way, that's two ways. There's another way to use the word compose, and it's the structure of something, how something is made or built, what's it made of. So, for example, a sandcastle is composed of sand and water, and your creativity, of course. H2O is composed of 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. All right, compose. Let's go. Compose. Compose. So let's go. That's number 8. Pose. Compose. So how do we mark this up? We have three things. Underline the O, second sound. Underline the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. Why? Yes, you got it. And we can use it more than one way. It is a homograph. All right. Now, when you compose something, that's called a composition, like a piece of music, or most importantly, as in school, it's an essay. Like your summary is a composition. It's something that you that you've created through writing. Okay, it's like a composition is a piece of art or music or literature. All right. So let's go. Composition. 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 So let's go. Composition. So we have a bunch of things to mark up. We have three things. So let's go. Underline the O, second sound. Underline the sh. The O can say O at the end of a syllable. That's rule 4. You can do a repeat over here if you want to. And notice that compose ends with a silent E. We drop the silent E. That is rule 13. Rule 13. I'm not going to make you write a homograph for composition. I should, but I won't. Okay, what do we do with these two words? Brace. Okay. The next word is the word enthusiastic. What's the word? Yes, enthusiastic. Like I just said that very enthusiastically. I said it very eagerly and excited. And enthusiastic means when you're passionate. You have passion and you're caring. Okay? So when the child displayed his or her art, let's take a female for right now, her art, right? She was very enthusiastic. She was passionate about it. She was excited. She was eager. All right? When Mr. Modell teaches, he gets very enthusiastic. All right? So it's a long word. Let's go. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. And notice it's an ick word. That's an adjective. Let's go. Enthusiastic. All right, so we have three things to mark up. So let's go. Underline the U, second sound. Good. The U can say U at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. Okay, the next word, skip down to number 11. It's the word conduct. What's the word? Excellent. Conduct. So, for example, conduct is to lead or to manage, to organize, right? How are you going to conduct your business? How are you going to lead the group? Who's going to be the conductor, right? How are you going to conduct your class? All right? It can be, another way you could use it is the word to act. Okay? So, for example, to act, like to conduct yourself with dignity and pride. All right? That's another way. And so, for example, certain types of metal conduct electricity. That means it lets it flow through it, like copper. All right. If you look at the, well, don't look in it, but the wiring in electronic things very often is made of copper. It's a great conductor of electricity. Okay. Conduct. So let's go. Conduct. Conduct. And the accent is on the first syllable. Let's go. Conduct. Conduct. I'm sorry, the second syllable, pardon me. Okay, so we're going to put the accent on the second syllable. We can use it more than, excuse me, we can use it more than one way. It's a homograph. Okay, and now the word that's related to that is the word conduct. What's the word? Yeah, the way you behave, your actions. Your conduct was excellent. You were paying attention. You were right on task. Conduct. 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 On the first syllable. Let's go. Conduct. Conduct. Put the accent over the first syllable. What do we do with these two words? We brace. These two words are spelled the same, but they sound different. They are heteronyms. They are examples of a heteronym. All right? And the last two words. Okay? Let's get to the word. The next word is the word congratulate. What's the word? Yes, congratulate. which is to praise or to commend, to compliment, to honor or salute, to toast, right? Sometimes we congratulate somebody, we raise our glasses, we have a toast. Hey, I want to congratulate you on your raise. I want to congratulate you on having a baby, right? It's a way to honor or salute or to praise or to commend, to compliment. Congratulate. Let's go. Congratulate. Congratulate. So let's go. Like gratitude. Congratulate. Congratulate. All right, so how do we mark this up? Underline the U, the A, and the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. You know the rest. The U can say U at the end of a syllable. That is Rule 4. And of course, when you congratulate someone, you are giving them congratulations. That's what you say. Great synonym for fantastic synonym for congratulations is kudos. Okay, kudos to you, congratulations. It's like best wishes when you honor or you salute or you laud, L-A-U-D, which sounds like applaud, which is another way of showing the way you honor somebody. Okay, congratulations. Let's go. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's go. Congratulations. All right, so how do we mark this up? Underline the U, the A, the sh. Second sound over here. Don't forget that. All right, the U can say U, the A can say A. That is Rule 4. And what do we do with these two words? Excellent. So let's review these words. Let's go. Tremble. Tremble. Eloquent. Eloquent. Eloquence. Eloquence. The beauty of someone's words. When you're well spoken, you're articulate, you're eloquent. Okay, let's go. Formula. Formula. Sensational. Sensational. Sensation. Sensation. Did you ever get the sensation that somebody's watching you? Okay, let's go. Composition. Composition. Compose. Compose. You're going to have to review this video a lot. There are lots of definitions. Me, I would write down the amount of definitions there are for each word. Let's go. Whoops, sorry. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Conduct. Conduct. Behavior. Conduct. Conduct. Okay, let's continue. Congratulate. Excuse me. Congratulate. Congratulate. Okay, and the last word. Congratulations. Congratulations. Which is exactly what I want to say. Congratulations to all of us, to all of you. Page 207. This is the last page of your spelling notebook for the rest of the year. You guys went farther, pardon me, sound like a cowboy, than any other class I've ever taught. Kudos to you. You've worked very, very hard. You've made tremendous progress. And I can't thank you enough for being there, trying your honest best, and succeeding. It's a real way to honor you. I can tell you exactly how many words we completed with page 207. Give or take a few words, because a number of the pages did have 13 words. It's about 2,500 words. 2,500 words. So congratulations. You've earned it. This is the last day for any spelling words for the rest of the year. I hope I said that eloquently, and I showed my eloquence. But it shows that it's a formula for success. It's sensational what you do and what you did, how you were able to compose this with all your enthusiastic energy, and how you conduct yourselves so well. Okay? And some of you were probably trembling inside. Anyway, I'm going on and on. But again, congratulations. This is the last word you'll ever do in 3rd grade.